Okay. Cold.
Yeah. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
There we go. With the beanbag beat, with the speed bag, with the 4-4, with the 4-0. Mojo with the full bag. Don't care. In here. In here. In here. That's in everywhere. But everywhere this everywhere designers everywhere designers everywhere. Money in the airline, we're in there. Every now we like, we're in there. Money in the airline, we're in there. What y'all talking about, man? Welcome to another Money Sunday Profits. Profits, bro. Profits are made on Monday, Sunday, you heard me? Run T, Young G, Young. Hey, what? Hey, put the phones up. But Young G, Young Mills, hey, catch up with the pitching, with your petition. All question man intention. Money in the airline. Alright, bruh. I ain't heard that in a minute, bruh. Shout out to YouTube gang with Zan with it. I am back, the best trader on earth. I am the most entertaining, the most just flat out. You gotta watch all my videos to understand that analysis, technical, fundamental. He got it down pat. The best. Billy Montega, Bulagati, whatever. Kosek, he got it. Penthouse Mansion. Best trader on YouTube. You gotta trade. I keep it 110%. That's why I ain't been discovered yet, because y'all can't handle the truth. I give y'all that trading truth. Hell yeah. What's in with it? What's in with it? Hurt man, what's in with it? What's in with it? But y'all are in tune for the best live stream of the week. I know y'all be waiting. This is a Sunday profits, Sunday preparation. You know what I'm saying? Money is made through preparation, man. I've made buku live streams, you know, getting into depth about that. But guess what? What are you talking about? Man, I'm talking about your mama, boy. The heck? I'm talking about trading, man. It's money Sundays, bruh. Are you ready to make the money on the Sunday? This is how money is made, bruh. This is how money's made. I ain't gonna lie. Microsoft looking good right now, bruh. Microsoft, let me check out the contracts right quick. Let me check out the contracts. You know, let me go in that 1 hour. Okay. Did a little pullback. Okay, so you have the best live streams, bro. Oh, of course I do, brother. I have the best live streams on YouTube. Man, I got the sound effects on deck too, man. Sound effects on deck. I'm spitting on myself because I'm too excited. I'm too excited, bruh. I'm too excited. Yes, I'm the best trader, best investor, money go getter. I am him. You are witnessing the best YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok live stream. Actually, I can't Twitch. I can't even stream on TikTok because I ain't got 1,000 followers on there. Man, go give me some love on TikTok. That's on fire. Yellow Wolf. Man, ain't no wolf, bro. I'm a dog. Ain't no wolf. I'm a lion. You heard me? Ain't no wolf. I'm a lion, Snoop. Scooby Doo. I'm a lion, Scooby. I'm a lion, Scooby. I'm a lion. But let's go back to just, just me doing my thing, bro. I'm just, chill. Did you ever play Roblox? Bro, we never play Roblox. I don't play Robloxski. I play get money yaski. You heard me? I got 6K on TikTok, homie. Oh man, that's what's up, man. Ain't gonna lie, I don't dance, bro. I be telling y'all the truth. You know what? Since you talk about TikTok and social medias, let's pop that up. Let's pop that up. So go show some love to my social medias, man. Go show some love, skis, man. Go show some love, man. Preview. Go show some love, bro. Oh, I'm not even showing, bro. I'm tripping. Go show some love on my socials, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I've not been consistent, but I've been consistent on one thing. This Profit Sundays. Because guess what? Money go up. You know what I'm saying? I'm worried about that money. So like my social media hustle has kind of taken a step back. I've been hustling outside of work. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting to that bag too. I can't really disclose that. But guess what, bruv? Yo, Nug 2.0. I don't know who that is. Bro, I look like I play Roblox. I'm too fresh for that. I'm too fresh. I make too much profit for Roblox. You hear me? Bro, that's not me. But anyway, can you say hi to my boyfriend, Bruce? He's watching with me. What am Bruce? You're about to learn about the money. This is the best live stream on the air right now. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all gonna have a great time. But bro, are you going viral, bro? Bro, you know, I'm not. I've been wishing to go viral. I want to build. I want to build a solid. I want to build a solid community. You know what I'm saying? People who actually want to improve and get better at trading, investing, and overall improving their standard of living. You know what I'm saying? I want people to like. I don't care about them views, 100 million. I don't care. I just want people. I want to have a solid group of people who are willing to listen and really put in that work. You know what I'm saying? And really to just change themselves, bro. I'm really to help people change. And I'm also working on my change. I'm also trying to get on my A game. I'm trying to work on my A game. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get on my A game, get better. Look me. Oh, so I'm gonna look you up, Nug 2.0, bro. Hey, bro, I appreciate it, man. Thanks for the love. You heard me? Thanks for the love, but I'm trying to get on my A game. You know what? I don't even. I'm gonna be honest. Like on YouTube, like this stream, I didn't even feel like doing it, bro. I look here just wanted like to chill, watch football, but I'm on here because you know what? I gotta do what. Because it's like, it's not going to feel right if I don't do this live stream and I go trading. You know what I'm saying? I'm preparing. This is the preparation. You got to prepare to get that bag, right? You got to prepare yourself. You got to prepare yourself to get to that bag. But check out my live stream. Check out my other platforms, bro. I'm going to be trying to post more often, bro. You know, the social media hustle kind of took a step back. You know what I'm saying? I had to get the bag. The social media bag wasn't bagging. So I got to get it the other way. So, but let's get into it. You know what? One thing I love to do is ask ChatGPT what happened in the stock market last week, bro. Because guess what? ChatGPT is a tool. And if you want to learn, bro, you can ask ChatGPT. You got the internet, bro. We got internet. We got all these tools to get better as traders. You hear me? Hey, thank you for that sub, bro. I really appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? We're going to continue to grow on all platforms. And I got Discord too if you want to join. Ain't gonna lie, I'm about to start a whole new Discord. It's gonna be Uganda Monies. Is that corny? Uganda Monies? No, I'm gonna say Profit Nation. Don't steal my Discord name. Profit Nation's forever. Yeah. But at this point, ChatGPT should know. What happened last week in the stock market? Boom. All right. So, what are you doing on the computer, bro? Bro, I'm just watch. I'm about to do what I do best. So I'm looking for a quick summary of what to watch out for. So last week, what really happened, bro? So we saw the Dow Jones and Nasdaq composite move higher overall the week. Okay, and then we saw record closes, right? Dow Jones gained 0.95%. Wow. SPY gained 1.6% and Nasdaq 2%. Yeah, that's fire. That's fire. Okay, so what drove the market? So there's the increase. Oh, there's the increase interest rate expectations. Okay, so showed evaluation not high. Okay, cool. So we got some inflation and labor signals, right? So we saw a rise in our what's it called CPI, 2.9% year over year in August. And then we saw producer prices, wholesale inflation expected decelerated. Okay. And then jobless claims rose. Damn, they rose, man. Hey, bro, that's not good, bro. People getting laid off out here. It's hard out here, bro. It's hard out here. Optimism around AI and big tech. Okay, that pushed the field, that pushed the stock market overall. And then we saw falling yields, bonds. Okay, people trying to get into that money. Maybe people are changing, where they're putting their money at. And then okay, cool. So what to watch out for? So inflation is still above the Fed's comfort zone, even though data softened. Core inflation remains sticky. The labor market is showing signals of cooling. Joblessness claims rising past overestimates being revised downward. Damn. The upcoming Fed meeting is crucial. Investors are watching not just whether rates are cut, but what the forward path look like. Okay, that's cool. Let's go into I ain't gonna lie, I love looking at the let's go into my watch list. This is not an action replay. Okay, so overall the market. So this VIT oh, you should always do live, bro. All right, bro. Thank you, man. I appreciate it, man. I really appreciate it. I try. I ain't gonna lie, I just be tired. I ain't gonna lie. I be getting to that morning. I just be tired, man. But what is it? We got overall the market moved, and this VRT is kind of like a total stock NFT, so it kind of shows all of the stocks and how they moved overall. So overall we saw upward move. I'm tired. Chill on me, kings. Chill on me. But yeah, like the overall last week market overall moved upward. You know what I'm saying? Let's go in a 5-day look. So the past 5 days we just saw a push upward, and then the Dow Jones broke this resistance that I marked up last week. If you go back to my YouTube channel, I marked this up, boom, and then I also call this play out. All right, bro. See you later, brother. And then we have, bro. Look at this play. Oh man, oof. Spy call. Man. It's a really good week. Saw a lot of price movement. The dollar index remaining at support, and then this right here is kind of supposed to show momentum, volume, and we saw a lot of movement on Tuesday. That's what's up though. Ain't gonna lie, this is NVIDIA. I didn't trade in NVIDIA. I didn't see any good opportunities. I noticed that price right here. I'm gonna review what happened last week. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna review the Mag 7 and what trades I could have taken and could have done better. So NVIDIA wasn't in any area that I wanted to buy. And then moving on to Microsoft. Microsoft, I saw that it was want to break this level, but overall, this is the level I'm looking for. I already got it marked up. I'm just reviewing what I could have done, better. It's always good to review, So if I was, could have looked at that bounce, and now price is coming back down, and I'm gonna be looking out for price kind of coming back above this level and buying in on Microsoft, because I love the area Microsoft is at. It's trying to break this resistance. Price only hit 1, 2, 3, and it broke out, came back to retest, and then we might see that continuation. We might see that continuation with Google. Ain't gonna lie, Google's in like no man's land. Ain't gonna lie, Google's in a no man's line. I don't know. I don't feel comfortable trading Google like as of the moment. We just created this great big gap. Maybe future price moves we might see what Google happened, but I didn't see any opportunities over the week with Google. Now moving on to Amazon. Amazon looked promising, not gonna lie. Amazon looked very promising, especially when he broke this old daily resistance. You know what I'm saying? But price definitely rejected that level. And this is all technical. This is not fundamental. This is just technical analysis. And you know what I'm seeing with the price and how it's moving. And the thing is, I'm looking at price that it's underneath this level of support, right? But we got to be cautious. Can be cautious. We got to know, okay, like prices, you know, price hit one. Really not a great support level though. I'm not gonna lie, like it's not a tough, you know, support level. I could have probably marked it up better, cause dang, boom, we got indication, you know, but then we have this support right here. I don't know. Price is underneath support with this old analysis, but I definitely after price you know kind of failed, you know, to continue. We've seen it like pull back the whole week. So maybe I'm missing something. I'm not seeing any. That's why I didn't take it. Like that's the thing about me trading. Like if you don't clearly see it and you don't clearly like understand it, don't trade it. That's like on that's how simple it is. Like if you don't see it, if you don't feel it, just don't do it. You know what I'm saying? With trading, you got to be comfortable. And then let's say if you do something like you're not comfortable with, you're gonna be like you're gonna try to do it again, and then you're gonna end up losing. Do something that you're comfortable. Do something that you're okay. I really trust the support level. I can tell how many times price is hitting at this level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like let's go back to this old play like Google right here. Price hit 1, 2, 3. You know, then finally broke out. Right here, like on the support level right here, I see one hit. You know, then you know price literally went underneath here, you know, then you know came back in, broke below. So maybe we might see continuation downward on Amazon to this like level of support right here, because I see price hit at 1, 2, 3. So I didn't trade it because I'm not fully 100% with it, you know. And then Apple, we saw Apple kind of, I think, start the week out. Yeah. No. Yeah, Apple was above the resistance. And not gonna lie, I just didn't see much. Definitely like weakness. I've seen a lot of weakness with Apple on this side, but could have done better. Really, you know, even though price was above resistance, I just wasn't paying attention. Nothing really caught my eye. And then Meta just, you know, fell to, you know, and we ended, I didn't get into contracts, but, you know, this level of resistance right here. And then you can call it like, okay, price definitely made some indication right there. So price can either continue going upward, and it might definitely, you know, not every week is gonna be world record, you know, crazy week. And then let's get to this the play I had, bro. This the play I had in me. Like the Tesla, man. Tesla breaking out this 155 level. Man, what a great play, but why did I feel confident in this play, not maybe Apple? I don't know. Maybe it was just like it just gapped up too much, where it's like, okay, there's definitely gonna be some pullback. I don't know. I'm just the gapping. I don't know what happened. Like just maybe just the way price was looking at the time, you know, and maybe what I was thinking during. Okay, I'm looking at price. Okay, price been wanting to break this level since like May. You know, that's the first time price kind of got rejected. It broke through, you know, end of May. They came back down, then came back the next month, came back in June. You know, that definitely failed the whole, you know, damn near the whole summer. And price came back in August, came back in August, end of August, and then in September we finally broke above that level. Maybe I was just comfortable seeing how much price was testing that level and wanted to go back up. And then what you can also notice too with this play, like price was making higher highs, like mad crazy. You know, price was not making lower lows, it was making higher highs. Boom, 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 and boom, and boom, and then boom. So that's something to look out for. Did I take any other trades? Let me see if I took any other trades. Oh, P on a TR. Let's see. Let me view this trade. But I don't know what happened with this trade, but I got stomped out. I got stomped out. Volunteer. Clean break. Clean break. Definitely on Tuesday. And then Friday, price ends up some really good highs. I don't know what happened with this trade. Definitely didn't have the best. Also I had like a QQ trade. Bro, tell me why I bought like literally here the price I got stomped out. I gotta make my stop losses a little more bigger, give it more breathing room, and scare money can't make money. And then what's funny, I graded my Tesla call F minus. Ain't gonna lie, it was an F minus. Like my Tesla trade F minus because I didn't set a good stop loss. Like I didn't set up a good stop loss. So maybe if I was trading on a bigger contract, yeah, it's not just got to work on that patient and see what price does and see how the momentum. So that's something to look out for. On that note, let's go check out what's going on in Earnings Hub. What's going on this week? Dang. Okay, Google paid dividends. Okay. Ooh, FedEx. I do follow FedEx. Let me see. FedEx got earnings calls coming up by literally on Thursday. And price broke out above this level too. I feel like FedEx, this 135 level, it might go crazy and break it. I'm gonna look out for FedEx. Man, shout out to the foods, man. Shout out to Chipotle, bro. Just getting cooked. Yeah, we got indication and everything. Easy calls. Here. Yeah, prices in between these levels, bouncing back. Netflix, man, just did a nosedive. Maybe those fights can help him push up Netflix prices. Boeing, oh man, Boeing went crazy. Definitely a pullback to this level. See what happens though. I don't gonna lie, I don't be paying attention that much. Like I need to clear up. I need to clear. I need to clear my. Ooh, I like the way J&J is moving though. But we do make a lower low though. I want to see price go above this level. Then we can see some bread getting printed. But I'm gonna do it this stream. I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna clean up my chart, bro. I'm gonna clean up my charts. I'm gonna consolidate this. It's the okay. I need to know orange list. I need to create a new list. No, I need to create a new list. I'm gonna call it a trading list. Orange list, of course, I'm gonna try to trade those. No. See his energies. Yeah, I'll get done. Trading list. Boom. 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 All right. So what am I gonna add? Ain't gonna lie, I like SPY in here. SPY, I like to trade. I like J&J. Shout out J&J. I like, what else I like? I like some banks. Ain't gonna lie, some banks be nice to trade. Let's see what banks I can trade. Capital Citibank. Okay, City broke resistance. Going crazy. JPM. Oof. Oof. I went bad. BLK. Goldman Sachs. Morgan Stanley. Bank of America. I ain't really. Back to my trading list. Fucking I like QQQ. QQ, pretty cool. Not too crazy. What else I need to add on my trading list? So what I'm gonna do, try it out, is so like in the trading list, these are the stocks I'm gonna be looking out to trade, you know. And of course I'm gonna also be looking out to trade the Mag 7, but also like, you know, gotta get into that. Gotta get into those gotta get to those, like just create a more condensed fire list where I also want to be I'm also going to be what's it called? I'm going to be, you know, just more focused on looking out, see how the play by play look, because I feel like currently my watch list is insanely just overly done, you know, overly done. Um, what I like trade, bro. Okay, Banks didn't cut it. Carva, good trade Carva, but those contracts, man, Carva contracts be arm and a leg, man. And them things be melting on you. I don't want that. Carvana, yeah, Carvana. Let's see. Let's see how these contracts look. Terrible. Just mad expensive contracts. No, not not worth trading. What about AMD? AMD could be good trading. AMD could be good trading. AMD. Let's see. See how those options looking. Not too bad. Not great either. Not bad, but not great either. Starbucks indicating, and then boom. Mo, Wingstop. Bro, I've been telling you, Wingstop is, and it hit that. Walmart, nah. Gold. I need to get into futures, bro. No. Interest. Hood. Nah, Hood do a lot. I don't know. Dollar Tree. Feel like, yeah, that's my trading list, man. I only got J&J. J&J's calls be pretty reasonable, like price. They move pretty decent. I got distracted. What Palantir? Palantir. I had Palantir. Let's see. Got those contracts V. Okay. That's $15. I don't think that's worth it. Let's try see, I was supposed to check out J&J contracts. See how those looking. Boom. Cheap as a bitch. I like these, man. I like trading J&J. Trade me some J&J. All right. I don't know what's another good option. Dang, I got a lot. I got a lot of stocks, and I can't name what. That's the problem. Like when you just have too much on the plate. Look at this. Just insane work, bruh. Insane work. You could have. Let me see how much those Wingstop. Cause they become cheaper, bro. Like I might start looking for opportunities. G. Let's see how the Wingstop contracts looking, bro. Wingstop. Mm. Mm-mm. And I'll tell us we're gonna go back over here. I'll be a low. That'll be an April low too. April low. Yeah. What's that revenue? Earnings 1 point. I don't know why they were $400. I don't know why. All the foods are struggling. Dollar General. Let's see. DG. Dollar General. DG. See how those contracts looking. Not bad. Okay, I might see what I can do with DG. Boom. Not a bad move. Not a bad move. Right now, I just got to be patient. I'm going to keep my trading list to 3 stocks, SPY, J&J. I could have. Dang, let's see my bank list. City. No, I ain't talking to you, Siri. I'm just looking for a stock. And okay, got the game going on. That's why I keep looking down there. There's a game going on. Oh, handoff, touchdown. Minnesota game, they air kill. They garbage. Anyways, things suck too, so I can't talk. I can't talk at all. But we had some fighting us though. We had some fighting us. We just couldn't drive the ball down the field and score a touchdown. It's all good. All right, well. Let me clear this out. New week. You know what I say? New week, fresh new charts, bruh. Start your. Whoa. What the? What? Let's see. I'll do it by the more expensive, cheapest. Ooh. You're the cheapest. Boom. All right. I don't know. I like Microsoft going into this week. Not gonna lie, I like where Microsoft is at. I love where Microsoft is at going into this week. I love where Microsoft is at going on to this week. So we're gonna see if we can make the most out of the opportunity. Amazon definitely can, continue going down to that, 219. And then you got our and I'm gonna do the same thing. More expensive to the cheapest. All right, cool. Let's see what I can add. fucking I had it in my trading list, man. My trading list is I'm gonna check that like every day. Like I'm gonna see how that's moving. Um uh, uh, uh. And of course I checked the Mag 7. I'm at AMD, man. AMD contracts are not too bad. Let me see. Let me see AMD. No, it's kind of not the best position, but let's see AMD contracts. They're not bad, cause from it's not bad at all. They're like $60 away from the money, $10 away from the money. Oh yeah, yeah. I feel like it's about to go fly, bro. Let's see the put. Oh yeah, I like AMD. I'm gonna add Palantir too. Palantir. Palantir. It's a little more expensive than I like it though, cause yeah, a little more expensive. I'm gonna add it though. I'm gonna trade that Palantir. I'm gonna add it. Boom. So those are my stocks, man. My trading stocks. But we're gonna keep an eye on these other stocks. We're just gonna just quickly go through them, but not try to do too much. It was a little hot today. Oof. I don't know why I put this hoodie on, bro. I don't know why I put this hoodie on, but I'm tripping. Okay. Dropping stuff. All right. Clear my throat. Pause. Now I'm gonna clear these too. Money is made on Sunday, man. Stock market money is made on Sunday. We freshen our minds up. Just get ready for the week. So starting off with the video, of course, I'm gonna go from cheapest to more expensive ones. Going that monthly. So see a doji, which could indicate reversals. Could indicate just price getting weaker. I don't know why I skipped the weekly, but if you see, the video was on a slight decline, and then this past week, seen that push, probably because we got some good AI news. We gapped up a little bit too in the daily, but I still see that price is definitely holding this level of support right here. This level of support. I don't know why I put out the resistance, but boom. And then I already found the resistance. So boom, boom. Then we got this indication on the daily. Indication on the daily. Let's go on the hourly. I mean on the 4 hours. See if we have any opportunities. The price is just lingering at this level in between. I might mark it up. Let's see what price is doing on a shorter time frame, but let's see. Yeah, we going like where does price wants to go in between these levels right here? Are we gonna go up? Are we gonna go? Are we gonna break this 180 level? But I want to see price break when this 183 level, and we're gonna get popping for sure. Bro, this, yeah, I know we're gonna be popping. If price comes above this level, yeah, the video gonna be popping. The video might hit 200 once we break this level. And all of this is not financial advice. This is only for your entertainment purposes and educational purposes. So I'm teaching you, but I ain't telling you what to do. That's on your own accordance. I'm not pushing the numbers in. So now let's go to Amazon. But back to the video. Back in the video. Yeah, like price in between the two daily support, and then we've been in this range since July 22nd, and we're in September. We're in September. Yeah, we're around the corner. We're around the corner, and then there's Amazon. Jeff Bezos, bald headed, ad company. I love Amazon. You know, I like getting this next day shipping right away. I like getting that next day shipping. You know, I ain't got to get out of my house. I just wait for it to come in the next day. Why am I skipping the weekly? I'm trying to see the story of these snocks. I want to see the story on the snocks. You hear me? So boom, we got this like this level right here. Support resistance on a weekly level. Let's go on a daily though. Let's see what's happening. What's really happening with Amazon? What's really happening? And that's the good thing about refreshing charts. Your old ideas, low key in the gutter. You know what I'm saying? Because you just have a new, when you have a whole new chart, you just have a new mindset towards it. But this is more of a support right here. I'm gonna say this is more of like this level right here. It's more of a daily support because price bounced off of it. 1, 2, came back, broke above it a little bit, but hasn't made it for sure. So look at this, man. This is why I wasn't so sure. Like Amazon, we got all these gaps, and we in between this big old range. It's hard to make a decision when price is just bouncing everywhere. Yeah. So Amazon not in any great buy or sell area from my point of view. I just don't see any clear resistance or support in the lower or higher time frame. But I do see it on the higher time frame for sure. If you're going to daily, see price hit this 1, 2, 3, broke out, but came back. And maybe we can see Amazon pull above and go beyond its all-time highs. And that's what I think about Amazon. I don't see any short-term opportunity though, or long-term anyway, because price is not above resistance or below it. And then let's go on to that Apple. They just released the iPhone, whatever. I ain't buying that crap. I don't know. If you buying the latest iPhone, and I got the 16, and I had the 11 before, so that's how my cycle works with iPhones. I wait every 4 or 5 years because the features the phone ain't gonna change much. You ain't getting nothing new. The only thing that happens when they drop a new phone, your battery of your phone just dies faster. Every year your phone just dies faster. That's what Apple do. So eventually you're gonna get a new one. You know, create more pollution. Boom. You know, we broke, bro. I was talking about this resistance forever, man. Man, who's there, bro? Who's there when I was talking about this resistance forever? I was talking about it forever, man. I finally broke that resistance, right? Price finally broke this resistance. Now we at this new resistance support and resistance now. You know what I'm saying? Not the cleanest, but I think like might be some opportunity to make it play. Look at that. And then this is that was in the daily too, so boom, boom. Already got some indication above here. Boom. So I like where Apple's at. Now I'm like, okay, we might be in a buy territory. Apple, 1, 2, broke above, came below, tested support, came. Now is it gonna go crazy? So now I'm excited about Apple. So now I'm rubbing my hands with Apple because that Apple looking good. Nvidia, Amazon, Apple, yeah. Like what's funny? That's the difference of refreshing your charts. Because my old analysis last week, I didn't have nothing. Not gonna lie, I didn't have nothing with Apple for real. Like I wasn't too confident. But now, looking at it from a different point of view, doing a top-down analysis, I feel like Apple might be in a good area to continue buying, especially the new iPhones. Even though I don't know who's gonna be buying the iPhone Air. I don't know if you buy the iPhone Air, your head is full of hair too. But moving on to the next one. We on Google, and Google just doing crazy things, man. They beat that case. See, TK should have rapped about Google beating their case, cause guess what? TK didn't beat his case. He got 88 years. Yeah. TK should have bought Google shares instead of trying to run from the feds. Yeah. Google beat the case, and look at it. Price went up. Enjoy Vesta. And boy, it's trash. Yeah. Oh, low key watching the game too, bro. Game on my computer. Them boys got shot out. Damn, Justin Jefferson, bro, you suck. Damn, son. Imagine just getting cooked. Man, they got cooked, man. Let me close this. Close that. This is definitely a struggle stream. I'm out here getting distracted, watching football. Like a normie I am. You know, I love football. But football don't make me money, so I gotta get back to this trading and fully lock in, fully focus. So we looking at Google. Man, Google beat the case, you know what I'm saying? And it's doing the race right now, cause boom, look at that. Price just gapped up like crazy. On a daily, I don't see anything crazy like opportunity wise, cause this was our resistance. And then right here, we're seeing this and prices went crazy. And let's do 4-hour check. See the 4 hours, see. But we're seeing some slowdown, you know what I'm saying? Price is kind of showing weakness on that level, that 240 level. So you know what? I'm gonna draw some resistances. Some resistance, support resistance. Not on not on a 4-hour though. Yeah, I'm not gonna give it the 4-hour resistance. I'm gonna give it like, you know, little arrows. And this kind of indicates on a smaller time frame. So when I do the green arrow, this represents smaller time frame. Like I'm looking at like, okay, on hourly, I usually do these. It's just showing that price weakness on the small time frame. So yeah, this is what I got for Google. And it's crazy. Yeah, this is the only opportunities I'm seeing. Cause price did the race. Now we're like, okay, what's the next opportunity? Are we gonna continue upwards? Or we're gonna, you know, go back down to the, you know, 30 levels, you know, the 20 levels, the 220 levels, or we're gonna go push up the 250 levels. And I'm gonna be a lookout for that. I'm gonna be a lookout. And you know, that's all about trading. You gotta just pay attention. And then, man, what happened with Tezzy, man? Tezzy went crazy. Broke this resistance. Man, price has been held at this level since May. Really. May levels, really. May levels, really. And then price was making higher highs. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 ski. So after price breaking out like that, price breaking out, then of course our indication right here. And then like I should have like, okay, forget this, but like look, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, crazy highs. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Trading. And then you gotta, one thing I'll tell you, you gotta trade for yourself, bro. Forget making your friends feel, you know, trading for yourself. I'm trading for myself. I'm gonna keep all my trades to myself unless you're watching me right now. But I gotta stop doing that. Well, telling people, oh, look at this trade, all that. And then right here, at this right here. Oh, literally saying analysis. I don't see any opportunities right now. You might see pullback. Gotta be patient with Tezzy. Let's go to Microsoft. Microsoft, Bill Gates. You know what I'm saying? He wants to troll us. This is the U.S. Bill Gates. Your shitty computers. No, let me stop talking trash against billionaires. I love all billionaires. Yeah, dang, man, they be hiring a hit on folk. I mean, they don't do that. That's alleged. They don't do that. Billionaires are cool. I love billionaires. I love capitalism. I do. I really do love capitalism. People be really like, nah, I love capitalism. But look at this resistance level right here. Put that in my daily. Boom, look at this resistance level. Support on a daily, going a 4 hour. Man, I just love where price is at with this right here. Let's go on a smaller time frame. Boom. Then we got indication here. Oh yeah, I think I gotta look into some. Hope I'm just hoping these contracts are not, they don't cost arm and a leg, you know. Microsoft. Boom. Boom. Okay. Okay, these are not too bad. 22. This is affordable. And that could be a target. Really, a target could be here. I feel like, yeah, right here too. Yeah, 20. That's 120. Mainly pull back, so these cheaper, bro. And 110. Okay, 125. Dang. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, I really like the way Amazon is looking. Target level. Boom. Boom. Risk. Damn. Actually, yeah, 120. Boom. It's a good buy. I don't care. I'm gonna see. We're gonna see what happens. That's the thing. Nothing's guaranteed, but we're gonna see what happens with. I'm looking at Microsoft. Okay, we're gonna see what happens. We'll see what Monday brings upon us. And there's my Meta. And a lot of Meta just breakdancing right now. Got a red month, green month. Pullback. I don't know. Meta is having some interesting weeks here. Talking about last week was a Doji week. Like, look at this. Meta just hasn't moved, idling, waiting on something. Not gonna lie. That low key makes sense. High key makes sense. Poor level. Boom. Support. Resistance can become support, and support can become resistance, depending on how many times price keeps testing that level. On a 4 hour. On hour. An hour. Yeah, not too bad. Now we're gonna see, okay, price want to come back down this level, or is it gonna break that level? Keep an eye on that. Now let's look at SPY. SPY. Boom. Bruh. Just straight up green candlesticks, green candle months. Like, the recovery is crazy Oh my gosh. Gotta put money in my spot. You're looking at the daily, I'm looking at the weekly. Looking at the weekly, I'm looking at the yearly. Oh man, that man is spitting. Spitting better than Will Smith. Spitting better than Smith Will. That's fire. It's not. It's not fire. All right. I'm just get the resistance out the way. Price broke that. Let's go on the 4-hour. Yeah, now we're just like at levels where I don't know, just hope for a pullback. Price gone. Price gone. Let's go on the monthly. Yeah, even dang. Excuse my yawn. Excuse my yawn. Okay, then we got this joint right here. QQQE. Really, this was like daily resistance right here. Boom. Have it for the vibe, but I don't really need it because prices kind of escaped it. Yup. Price is gone. So I got to be patient with this. Wait for price to make something happen, make something shake. Now we at our boy J&J broke out this resistance. Look at this monthly resistance. Price finally broke out of it. Damn, bruh. This 165 level. Price been wanting to get out of there. Finally broke. But look how price was just consolidating. And this is on the weekly candlesticks. It's crazy work. It's a daily. J&J moves slower than the other ones. The volume's not there. Not like, spying it in QQ. But it moves. When you catch it on a good day. Catching a good day, you can make some good bread. Support, daily support. Daily resistance. Boom. That's hard. Boom. That's hard, yo. Then we over here. I'm from NOLA. We're gonna speak like this, you heard me? Yeah. Okay. Can we break this level? And let's see where price is going to go. Okay, that's pretty dope. Where price gonna go? Let's clear this joint. I'm mad I didn't clear y'all too. Pissing me off. That's making me mad. Making me mad. You a snitch. Gunner's a snitch. Young Thug a snitch. We are snitches. The den of rats. Okay. Boom. Okay, look at that. Weakness. Continue upward. So I see this weekly momentum. Okay. Palantir. Low-key broken out this level. But boom. Boom. Got this indication. Boom. Boom, boom. So can we make something out of this? Is Palantir by going another run? 180 target? I don't know. Let me see what I can buy with Palantir. Palantir. Mm-mm-mm. $177. $177. $2. 180. 180. 182. 182. I'm just gonna pray for some pullbacks. I'm gonna wait for some pullbacks. I'm not gonna pray. I'm gonna wait because they're not bad calls. 182. Not bad. 182. 182. We're gonna see what 2.5. Then boom. The price continues. It's that, or we just take a loss. Take a loss. You're gonna take a loss. You're gonna have to take a loss. That's a loss, sir. Slow down. AMD. AMD not doing. AMD going through it. AMD is going through it. Going through it. Go to weekly. Oh yeah. You're going down. You're going down. Oh man. Even on the daily don't look good. Let's see, you got this level right here. Whole level. Resistance. Let's go on 4 hour. What do I see? Byakugan. When y'all watch Naruto, when Neji hit that Byakugan, going blind, trying to look too hard. Byakugan. Would you rather have the Byakugan or the Sharingan? You're going blind and either way, but I think I'll go with the Sharingan, bro. Like, you just gotta, I think the Sharingan just too dope, bro. Byakugan, you can see everything. Ain't gonna lie. No op can hide from me. If I have ops, no stock market opportunity gonna hide from me. I'm gonna use my Byakugan. See the chart in 4K 4K HD 360, all that. Or I can use a Sharingan, lock in. My eyes gonna be spinning and stuff. And then it's gonna be looking. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be looking at, gonna be locked in. I'm gonna have the cleanest markups of all time by the Byakugan. Alright, I gotta put it somewhere, I ain't gonna lie. This is everywhere, you heard me? It's everywhere. I'm gonna put it right there. Put that as support right there. I had to clean this chart up. But hey, we're getting better. We are getting better. Now let's hit it with that one. One of these bad boys. These bad boys. We got 1, 2, 3. That's a good support. Now resistance. 1. This is, I don't know. We're gonna see what price is at for real. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it's in the middle of nowhere. It's in the middle of this. We're gonna watch out where price goes next though. See pullbacks though. And then I see price fell this level. Price tried 2 times. Then boom, boom, failed. So I'll watch out if price goes underneath support. And guess what, guys? That is it for me doing technical analysis charts. Really looking forward to is Palantir. J&J is in a good area. I just gotta see it. I'm gonna mark it. Like we can go above that level. We can go above that level. And we see, price definitely holding out Again, this is being tested a lot, so above 2. So we're gonna see. It's fine. QQQ. We don't see nothing, but I do see some plays on Microsoft. Great play on Microsoft. No plays. Oh, Apple too. Apple. Like, are we gonna break this 35 level? 235, 35 level. Nvidia. Only a few opportunities I could look forward to. So at least, I'm gonna have the Microsoft play, the Palantir play. So really, two plays, really, 2 plays that I'm currently like seeing. Let's go to the bank list. I'm gonna lie, I need to clear these out. You know what? Have it blank. It's better to have it blank. Have a bunch of nonsense. Boom. You blank. You clear. Alright, be okay. BlackRock. BlackRock. Alright. I'm gonna do a quick analysis on this. Holy. Citibank. What happened to you in 2009? Are we going back to 2000? I'm about to, bro. I'm about to put in my journal. Buy City, bro. We going back to those days. Citibank. Ooh, City. Oh man. Okay. And City used to be worth $500. What happened, bro? But ain't gonna lie, I didn't know how big this. It's a good climb too. Not gonna lie, good climb. This you said that's. Hmm. Not gonna lie, City might be a good investment opportunity. Oh, I just passed air through unconventional wind pipes. That's a professional way of saying you just let air out. Oh yeah, I like where City at. City, you going to the moon? You coming back to Earth? Buy City, bro. I'm buying City Bank. This is investing. This is for investing. Buy City Bank stocks. Buy them. And option too. Lie City. That big C. They call me Big C because I'm Greg. I'm Craig. Not Greg. Craig. Credit card. Call me Big C because she likes to use the credit card. All right, that's it. What's going on, yo? What's going on? Why my head can't? All right, there we go. Like Palantir, I also like City. Be in the city. City. City Group. Man, I see you. Get away. I ain't talking to you. Stop it. Get away. Dang. I hate Siri. You heard me. Why would you do that? Get away, please. Thank you. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Friday broke out of there. No one. target do? Like 106. 106. Wow, that's cheap. I'm gonna buy like 4. Money contract. Buy. I like Citibank. Not gonna lie, I like it. Let's look at where this is at. Um, 4. Yeah, money's tied up. Tied up, won't let me down. Boom. Boom. JP Morgan. JP Morgan, okay. Okay, JP. JP with a Morgan? Morgan, JP, Morgan? Mm-hmm. Morgan, JP, Morgan. Morgan, JP, P, Morgan? Mm-hmm. You ain't got the Morgan. Why you got a JP? If you don't want a JP, why you got a Morgan? Man, look at me making rap. Man, who makes like trading content more entertaining than me, bro? I'm just underrated as hell, bro. I'm gonna be on one day. I'm gonna have the tightest, the coldest community. I said community. Community. I didn't look at the monthly. It's all-time highs. Oh my gosh, JP Morgan. Just getting to that bag. Okay. Damn, you know, it's a good refresher to just I might not trade you, but I need to refresh you, you know what I'm saying? I might need to refresh you. Slow down. And okay. Weakness. Man, I have the eye of the tiger. Boom. Boom. Support. Resistance. You see. This is all technical analyzing. You're gonna see what price does. But look, we're making a lower low. We're gonna have to go on a 4-hour. More clear view. Okay. BLK is a good buy too, but we gotta see if we have momentum on the upside. Okay. JP, this is Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs. You got Goldman Sachs. You got Goldman Sachs. Look at it. We are currently live on YouTube. We are live on YouTube's Cube. You live on YouTube's Cube. I'm literally just talking, y'all. I don't know where I got all this energy from. Like, it's almost like it's 10 o'clock on a Sunday. And I didn't take a nap today. That's the worst. Like, when you don't get to take a nap on a Sunday, are you really living, bruh? I feel like you got it should be mandatory Sunday naps. I seen slow down. Maybe you see a pullback, you know what I'm saying? I didn't clear you. Just get out of here. Okay. Seeing prices breaking out of areas and zones and stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna explain it so the people of Richmond and kind of stand, man. If you can see right here, yeah, I'm done. I'm not doing that. As you can see right here, that price tested this 118, 820 level. 1, 2, 3. Are we gonna break out of it? We gonna have to see. Oh, look at me rhyming accidentally. And we have our support level. Not as strong, but we're seeing upward trend where we're breaking higher highs. So is price gonna break above and go crazy, or is it gonna, bounce around this level like a dot, Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Boom. Wait. Go back. Boom. We have this. Not even a real. Can I see on the 4 hour? Low key, I can. So it's got a 4 hour resistance. This level right here. And then we got. I ain't gonna lie, I low key regret clearing these up because this is not. I don't think this is. This is gone. It's gone. It's gone. I didn't clear you up. What's going on? All right. So we have clearly you have a resistance on this right here, but on the 4 hour, we clearly see that price is on the 4 hour resistance right here, and then we got a support right here. Mm-hmm. 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 Preach, pastor. Preach, prophet. Prophet. I'm not a pastor. I'm a prophet. I get to the money. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? In Proverbs and Proverbs, verse 10, chapter 10, verse 2, the money will come. That's what it says. The money will come. Just continue to grind, continue to work smarter and harder. Use your hard work, use your smart work. Because guess what? We are better, getting better. Man, I need to listen to that book again, ain't gonna lie. Like, bro, the mental game of trading, that book is beautiful. Tom Hugard. That was Best Lucid Win. That was a good book too, ain't gonna lie. Mullins View was good. It was a good book, motivational, like if I motivational trading books just hit close to the heart, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, it's me. It needs to be me. No, but my time is coming. Gotta wait. Gotta wait, you know what I'm saying? Preparation. You're gonna meet opportunity. Boom, you know what I'm saying? Boom. Already. Let's go on a 4 hour. Look at that. Just perfect plays left and right. Let's see if price breaks this level. Go crazy. And PNC. Let's go on a weekly. Let's go on a monthly, man. I ain't taking no shortcuts. I'm doing this right. After a great August, we see some pullback in September. Then if we're on a weekly, yeah, September has not been great on PNC. But when you go on a daily, you can see price had this resistance right here, which is acting as support currently, and price is currently getting resisted at this 1-2-10 level. You know, I can press a button and I got my daily resistance pop up on my screen. That's called efficiency. You know what I'm saying? Boom, you see that? Boom. On mine. Wait. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. And then see it. Y'all don't see it. Boom. Wait. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know. It's like a support resistance. I'm not gonna call it nothing. Where price wanna go? You wanna go down? I'll follow you down. If you wanna go up, I'll follow you down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm back testing this. Man, I've been back testing and y'all think it's back testing. Not back testing. It's bag testing. I'm on a roll today. Like, who gave me this energy to come on here and spit? April. No, we're not in April. We're in February. 2. Oh, boom. No. Lenore. Skipped ahead. I was on the wrong date. It was February 4th. Delicious. Clear charts, because that's old news. Ooh, think about it, Kings. You gotta clear charts because your old markups, that's old news. Clip that. I'm gonna start making clips. I feel like I got a lot of clips in this little, rants I'll be doing. I ain't gonna do no rant. I'm gonna do what I love to do and just show y'all. Oh, chill. Chill. Are we on a downtrend? We're pulling downwards. We're pulling down. Ooh, we try to pull up. Now we're going down. Now we continue down. Ooh, okay. By the way, why did they change the trading panel for bag testing? I'm the bag tester. Look, if you don't bag test and you trade, well, you just playing with your money. Because if you don't trade your opportunity, you don't trade like that. All right, all right. Alt T, my lover. Alt T. We just had a double top here. Boom. Let's see what price does. Man, that's what I love back testing, bro. I wish in real life I can just press a button and time just goes forward. Yeah, my trade goes. Looking for Friday. And then this helps me a lot, just knowing where my week is. Why back test? Boom. But we're in the middle of the week. Friday. Boom. Right there. Right there. Boom. Okay. And look like we're on a downward trend. Price failed. Break this resistance. But we got support right here. Right here. Let's press that button. Yeah, we back testing, by the way. Back testing. Bag tester. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, okay. Not taking any trades yet. Don't feel anything too crazy. I don't feel anything too crazy. Let's see. All right. Bruh. I got a no sale. Buy sale. 1,000 units. Blink. SL. 2 bands. Take P. What do I see? I don't see no clear targets. But we're gonna confirm that. Huh? Closed. Sale. Confirm. Did I take a loss? Brother. What the? Oh, huh? How? Brother. I love getting hold. Confirm. I got choded. That, bro, TradingView is the biggest hater. Whoa. Where's my stop loss? I'm gonna give it one more candle. Bruh. What is it? Thursday. Like, I cannot change TP. Yeah. Confirm. Oh. Confirm. Wait. Newer. It should have taken what I had, but it's okay. It's okay. He's just shooting out the gates. Boom, 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 man. Training View just pissed me off, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie to y'all, folk. I took a 4K loss on some Trading View bullshit. And I ain't okay with me. I don't like that. Yeah, come on. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Okay. If I press confirm, it's gonna take me out. Damn. Immediately. Then we are approaching Thursday. Being patient. Being patiente. That's a sell I take. Boom. 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 Here we go. Going into next week, which is not my best forte. But ooh. You know what? I'm gonna close this. Come on. Anytime now. This thing's loading? What the? Bro, this is about to piss me off. Close the position. Oh my gosh. TradingView, why did y'all have to update this? This is garbage. This is terrible. Like, okay. So I can't do nothing. Yes, I want to close my position. Dang. That took forever. Jeez Louise. Daily, let's see, 4 hour. Mm-mm-mm. I was definitely tripping on that. Boom, boom, boom. V. Monday. Mm-mm-mm. Patience. Sensei. Sensei me. I'm my own sensei. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Cover. Support. Boom. Back at break even. But be patient. Patience. No tunnel vision. Prices on a downtrend. Be patient. Mm. Go for 1,000. 100. Mm-hmm. I'm not taking this trade. Bruh, clearly I can't freaking see. That's so weird. That's some crazy work right there. I got it is what it is though. You can't let your emotions take over. Things happen, things happen for a reason. Now every reason gonna be a good reason. Going back to the daily, man. Got a daily. Clear this. Like where this is at. For your patience. V. Oh yeah. It's about resistance. Price does. Immediately get back the fuck in. Boom. Boom. Buy again. Okay. Closing. Got stomped out. Immediately got back in. How we doing? How we doing down there? We up 4K. Bro, that's some BS right here. Guess what? Y'all can't start. We should have taken this. Okay. We keep going. Get your thing, twin. Line up. Just like that. This thing gonna stop. Why stop it now? I'm just a guy back testing on YouTube Live. I'm just a guy back testing on YouTube Live. Yeah. You already know how to little rock star in me. I'm just a guy who's just back testing on YouTube Live. Twitch also. And maybe TikTok in the future. Back testing live. Bag. You trying to get to the bag. You try and get into the bag. You try to get to the bag. I'm just a guy back testing. Trying to get to the bag. That was beautiful. Let's see how the bag looking. Okay, I'm done. I'm not done. I'm not done. I'm not done. I'm not done. You're not done. and you got more in the tank. You got more in the tank. You got more in the tank. So the job is not done. 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 Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. You got what I need. Bruh, if you gon' I'm gonna buy a little bit, bruh. Anger. Put 500 for 1,000. Boom. Alt V. Get that money. That's Monday. Oop. I just want to see the bag go crazy. Just want to see the bag go crazy. I just want to see the bag go crazy. I want to see the bag go crazy. See the bag go crazy. I want to see the bag go crazy. I just want to see the bag go crazy. Bag go crazy. If the bag can't go, if the bag can't go, the bag can't go crazy, then what are we doing? 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 Oh my gosh, I'm doing big. I'm doing big. Bigger than I ever done it, and then it's over, and it's over. It's far from over. My name is Lil Wayne. Now I could do like a whole lot of voice impressions. Nope. You know what? I'm gonna sell again. Tell me I'm wrong twice. Tell me I am wrong twice. I'm not wrong. I'm not wrong. I like that. I'm close. I'm close right here. Better up. If you ain't trying to get it, then up. If you ain't trying to get it, then shut the fuck up. Monday, Friday. Damn, I'm in the zone. I'm in the freaking zone, yo. That's okay. That's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Because the bag is being secured. I'm securing the bag it up. Hey, you ain't trying to bag it up. I'm the bag it up. Bag testing. I'm on my A game. Nobody can tell me nothing. I'm right. Hey, I'm right. I'm freaking right. You're wrong. Right. Go Tigers! Damn, I got a lot of energy. Dang. This is what happens when you back testing. Unlimited. Mr. Unlimited. Russell Wilson was like, man, fuck it. He got into his inner James Williams. He said, fuck it, neighbors down there somewhere. Yup. Move. Close that bag. Here. Oh. You know what? It's called repositioning. How far are you willing to go? Let's see. I got a whole week left. Oh wow, we got crazy candlesticks. We got crazy candlesticks. Boom. Underneath support though. That's why I have to go against you. Immediately no. And that's it. That's the end of April. Traded through a month. So yeah, it's pretty good, man. That's the end of it. Did pretty good. I like what I did. Did pretty good. I did pretty good. I was just in the zone, man. Just taking the bread. Taking the bread, yeah. Bag. Testing. What is it? 0408 22. But be quick to move your SL. I'm done. Boom. Damn, did 50%. Damn. I'm a bag getter. Hey, shout out to the gang. Shout out to the money moves. I'm about to get out of there. Day 51, 54. 54. Boom. Bro, I do not. That's crazy. Yeah, I gotta get to that bag, bro. No way, bro. I'm back testing making bread. Anyways, I'm the best trader on the YouTube live ways. And you know, once I gave y'all the knowledge, I back tested, I did the technical analysis for y'all. I gave y'all entertainment for 2 hours. But guess what? Hopefully you were listening, because you still have to pay attention, because all this free game ain't free if you're not soaking it in, like drinking it like water. my thing, I want you to understand that you will be great. I will be great. Thank you for joining the community. The best Prophet Nation, Prophet Sundays. Hey, money is made on Sunday. Money is made through preparation. Games are won through practice. What makes you think you can't back test, and you don't back test and you expect to get the bag for real? Come on. If you don't practice chasing that bag, are you really chasing the bag? Or are you chasing your dreams? I'm chasing reality because it's happening. It's gonna happen. Best trader. See you next week. Money Sundays. Prophet Sundays Prophets. I don't know why I'm calling this stream, but hey, man, I really appreciate it for the love I've gotten. And I'm the best trader in the world. Uganda Trades is out of here, but that beat gonna be fire though. So, best trader in the world. Only thank God, Jesus Christ, for his sacrifices. In God's name I pray. Amen. Let's get out of here.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. Throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
It's a pinnacle code, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pinnacle, never tell me killer code. Everybody coming from the who's on a kinnapo. Everybody stacking but the same, cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same blood.